Unleash the beast. Supercharge your ride for maximum speed. Ready to transform your car from mild-mannered to a roaring beast. We all crave that extra burst of speed, that feeling of exhilaration as you push the pedal to the metal. This isn't just about going faster. It's about unlocking your car's hidden potential. Let's dive into the heart of the matter, the engine. We're talking about maximizing its efficiency, making sure it breathes easier and burns fuel like a champion. Get ready to unleash some serious horsepower. Think of your engine as an athlete needing to gulp down air. A better intake system means more oxygen, which translates to more power. It's like giving your engine a shot of adrenaline. A cold air intake is a great starting point. It pulls in cooler air from outside the engine bay, which is denser and contains more oxygen. Installation is usually straightforward, making it a perfect DIY project. Don't underestimate the power of a performance air filter. These filters are designed to allow more airflow while still protecting your engine from harmful particles. It's a simple swap that can make a noticeable difference. Just as important as getting air in is getting exhaust out. A restrictive exhaust system can choke your engine, holding back its true potential. Time to let that beast breathe. Performance exhaust systems are designed to reduce back pressure, allowing exhaust gases to escape more quickly. This frees up horsepower and torque, giving you a noticeable boost in performance. Headers replace the stock exhaust manifolds, offering smoother and less restrictive flow. High-flow catalytic converters further reduce back pressure, while performance mufflers provide a more aggressive sound. It's a symphony of speed. More air means you need more fuel to maintain the perfect air-fuel mixture. Upgrading your fuel injectors can ensure your engine gets the fuel it needs to perform at its best. Larger fuel injectors can supply the extra fuel required for higher horsepower applications. This is especially important if you've already upgraded your intake and exhaust systems. Fuel upgrades unlock additional power. Now for the brains of the operation, the Engine Control Unit, ECU. This computer controls everything from fuel injection to ignition timing. Tweaking it can unlock even more power. Engine tuning involves adjusting the ECU's parameters to optimize performance for your specific modifications. This can include adjusting fuel maps, ignition timing, and other settings. It's like giving your engine a custom-tailored suit. Professional tuning is highly recommended, especially after making significant modifications. A skilled tuner can maximize performance while ensuring your engine remains reliable. Don't risk blowing your engine. Here's a simple truth. A lighter car is a faster car. Shedding those extra pounds can dramatically improve acceleration, handling, and overall performance. Time to put your car on a diet. Start with the easy stuff. Removing unnecessary items from your car is a quick and free way to reduce weight. Every pound counts. Ditch that spare tire and jack if you're comfortable relying on roadside assistance. Removing the rear seats is another option, especially if you rarely have passengers. It's surprising how much weight those seats add. Sound-deadening material can also add a significant amount of weight. Removing some of it, especially in areas like the trunk, can make a noticeable difference. It's all about finding those hidden pounds. For the truly dedicated, there are more advanced weight reduction techniques. These methods can be more expensive but offer significant weight savings. Replacing body panels with lighter materials like carbon fiber or fiberglass can dramatically reduce weight. However, these modifications can be costly and require professional installation. It's a serious commitment to speed. The drivetrain is what transfers power from the engine to the wheels. Upgrading it can improve acceleration and overall performance. Let's get that power to the ground. Changing the final drive ratio in your transmission can significantly improve acceleration. A shorter final drive ratio provides more torque to the wheels, resulting in quicker off-the-line performance. However, a shorter final drive ratio also reduces your top speed. It's a trade-off between acceleration and top-end performance. Consider your driving style and needs when making this decision. If you have a manual transmission, upgrading your clutch is essential when increasing horsepower. A stock clutch may not be able to handle the increased power, leading to slippage. A performance clutch is designed to handle more torque and provide a more positive engagement. This ensures that all the power from your engine is transferred to the wheels. It's a must-have for any serious performance build. Before you start tearing apart your car, it's crucial to understand the potential implications of these modifications. Safety should always be your top priority. Let's talk about the fine print. Modifications can have several potential drawbacks. It's important to be aware of these before making any changes to your car. Knowledge is power. Modifying your car can void its warranty. Check with your manufacturer or dealer before making any modifications. Fuel economy can also be negatively affected by certain modifications. Be prepared to pay more at the pump. Improperly installed modifications can also impact your car's reliability. Always ensure that modifications are installed correctly and by qualified professionals. Don't cut corners when it comes to your car's health. Increased performance means increased responsibility. Make sure your car's brakes, suspension, and tires are up to the task. Safety first, speed second. Upgrading your brakes is essential when increasing horsepower. Ensure your brakes are capable of handling the increased speeds and stopping distances. Performance brakes are a worthwhile investment. Upgrading your suspension can improve handling and stability, especially at higher speeds. Performance suspension components can provide better control and reduce body roll. Stay planted on the road. Ensure your tires are suitable for the increased performance. High-performance tires provide better grip and handling. Don't skimp on tires. They're your connection to the road. Thorough research is essential before making any modifications. Understand the potential benefits and drawbacks of each modification. Knowledge is your best tool. Consult with experienced mechanics or performance specialists. They can provide valuable advice and guidance. Learn from the experts. Prioritize safety above all else. Don't compromise safety for performance. A safe and reliable car is always more enjoyable to drive. Stay safe out there. So, are you ready to unleash the beast within your car? Remember to research, plan, and prioritize safety. With the right modifications, you can transform your ride into a true performance machine. Now go out there and make some noise. Ready to take your car to the next level? Click the link in the description to download our free guide to performance modifications. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more awesome car content and hit that notification bell so you never miss an update. And let us know in the comments what modifications you're planning for your ride. Let's get wrenching.